Welcome to another segment of Lousje and Bean Behind the Seams. It's the new boxy top for limited editions showing. Welcome lovelies, I am thrilled to be here with one of our favorite products in the boutique, in the Lousje and Bean line I should say, the boxy tops. So Tessa found 4 fabrics that she bought, and we had the boxy tops made where we always have them made at the manufacturer in Toronto, and we only could make a few because there was only so much fabric, but that makes it even more exciting because they're exclusive and it's a limited edition. So I'm going to show you 4 and equally all gorgeous. First of all, there's a loyalty, the 10% discount for a limited time if you buy these boxy tops. What I want to talk about the boxy tops for a little bit is that we make them out of the bamboo viscose. It's a fantastic fabric. All 4 of these tops are lighter weight, so really nice for hot summer days, which we are having almost every day now. They say August is going to be a doozy, so this would be a fantastic top. Every morning when I look in my wardrobe to see what I'm going to wear, and I have no idea what I'm going to wear, I always grab a boxy top, because whatever you put at the bottom, which in my case is the Lousje and Bean A-line tank dress. It could be a pair of jeans, could be a pair of linen pants, it could be a skirt or whatever dress you can find that will go with the top. You feel you are finished, you are dressed, you feel confident, you're ready to go out in the world. So this is fashion made by women for women. Because we know what you want, we know what you like, the confidence that you feel in our clothing. Let us know, how do you wear your boxy top? We are curious, we love your input and you give us lots. So this inspires us, and that's how we can learn, right? We can learn from each other. So let's go back to the dress, the A-line Lousje and Bean tank dress. It's a new design. We've made the tank dress for years. But actually it was a request from a few of you lovelies that asked, could we make the tank dress not straight but have it flared out? So we listened to you and we did, and it's a huge success. And why not? Look at it, it's absolutely beautiful. So we still have the fitted dress on the top, and then this beautiful skirt that flows when you walk and it moves with you, and it doesn't restrict you in any way, and a lot of you lovelies like that. I like it too. It's a nice change from what we had. So we made it in the black bamboo viscose and the navy bamboo viscose. I'm wearing an extra small, it goes up to an XXL. And the boxy top, this is white with the black scribble. As you can see, the sleeves are long. It's summer now, hot summer. I cuff them and I pull them up. If you like your sleeves to be cuffed like this and elbow length, get a little elastic. You know, the elastic that you buy by the meter, and you just cut it to size. You make a tiny little knot in it and you can put it here and blouse your sleeve over it, and it will stay for the rest of the day. And it's a great summer look. And then you still have your long sleeves for when it transitions into autumn, because these tops, all 4 of them, will move easily into your fall wardrobe. My jewelry, of course, is this turquoise. Wow, what a pop. And a lovely heart necklace. Okay, lovelies, I'm excited to change, and I'm gonna show you another print. Okay, I'm back. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful summer outfit. And lovelies, it is so comfortable. This is so loose and light and airy. I have been wearing always a little cami underneath, and now sometimes when it's this so hot, I don't wear a cami and I would just wear the boxy top like this. So this is the animal print. It's gorgeous. It's got black, light gray, a little hint of blue in it, so equally nice with jeans. But I paired it up with the Emmy pants, the white linen Emmy pants from Lousje and Bean line. We bring this in black linen and in this beautiful black and white print. And it's a classic little print. But anyway, my jewelry, before I forget, this is Siska. It's very cute, a little different for Siska. And then these Cleo earrings. So lovelies, the other boxy top we brought out is a print, a black and white and gray print. And it's called the Circle. Beautiful, great outfit. And that circle print with the colors and everything will go with all the bottoms that I'm wearing with the other boxy tops. Then the chartreuse, very limited, that fabric we only have a few meters of. The chartreuse boxy top. Chartreuse is a beloved color for all of us, and so they will go fast. So lovelies, don't forget, there's a 10% loyalty that comes off when you buy the boxy top. And also I'd like to remind you that tomorrow we are unboxing new Majestic, the gorgeous Majestic line. Lovelies, I hope you enjoyed. Fun doing this. Always nice to be with you. Thank you for watching and keep on smiling.